Hello, everyone. My name is Sanjay Pradhan, and I'm the CEO of the Open Government Partnership. I want to heartily congratulate you on the launch of Plateau State's first OGP action plan. As you would know, this year marks OGP's 10th anniversary. In just 10 years, 78 countries and 76 local governments, together representing more than 2 billion people, have joined the partnership along with thousands of civil society organizations. Together, they have co-created more than 4,500 reform commitments. These reforms seek to transform the relationship between citizens and their governments to ensure that governments truly serve their citizens rather than themselves. So as we celebrate our 10th anniversary, I reflect on the immense changes we have seen in what once started as a small subnational pilot program that has now grown into an integral part of the open government ecosystem called as OGP Local. Local jurisdictions represent a magnificent opportunity for action. It is estimated that by 2050, 68% of the world's population will live in urban areas. Local government is the level closest to the citizens, where vital public services are delivered, where citizens care deeply about their schools, streets, health clinics. They respond to directly shape policies and services that governments can respond to, closing the feedback loop. Over the last several years, we have seen 4 clusters of reforms through which open government is delivering a more citizen-centric democracy at the local level. First cluster of reforms is empowering citizens to shape policies and budgets that impact their lives. For most of us, budgets are opaque, distant, and inaccessible. By contrast, in Madrid, Spain, reformers set aside 100 million euros for citizens to propose and fund projects that respond to their needs. In a similar spirit, I commend you on your own commitment in your action plan on this type of participatory budgeting. Second cluster of reforms, empowering citizens to shape and oversee public services. In Kaduna, Nigeria, when an audit revealed that a health clinic promised to the citizens paid by the budget only existed on paper, the government partnered with citizens to become its eyes and ears. Using a mobile app, people provide feedback and photos, which goes directly to the governor's office and the state legislature to catalyze corrective action, resulting in a record completion of 450 schools and 250 health clinics. Third cluster of reforms has been to include those who have been historically excluded. In the city of Austin, Texas, which is another OGP local peer in the US, the government empowered people experiencing homelessness to influence the government's policy to serve them better. The homeless provided inputs in developing a homelessness system map and provided policy recommendations that the reformers from government used. In your own action plan, I commend you for your commitment on gender, on women's empowerment, which is another women represent another historically marginalized group in society. And this area of women's empowerment is another rapidly growing area of emphasis in OGP. Fourth cluster of reforms is enlisting citizens to monitor corruption and capture. To curb influence peddling, Madrid created a mandatory lobby registry where the number of lobbyists multiplied after this registry was created from 50 in 2018 to 600 in 2021, showing the consolidation and growth of the process. To combat corruption, other OGP locals and nationals are advancing transparency in public procurement, such as the commitment in your action plans. In October 2020, Plateau State formally joined OGP Local alongside 55 other local jurisdictions, the largest expansion in OGP history. This new cohort marked a shift for OGP Local, one of greater flexibility with a hyper-local approach, aligning the open government process with local timelines and locally based independent monitoring will allow for more innovative and ambitious commitments. Today, we are celebrating the culmination of many months of your hard work and collaboration between the government of Plateau State, the Plateau State CSOs Forum, and countless other civil society organizations. The next step of the plan will be most important: credible implementation and monitoring to translate your plan, your good commitments, into reality in people's lives. These are the key elements of an open government cycle where all stakeholders can contribute to strengthen the process and learn from it by creating a unique space where all voices are heard. So let me close by offering my congratulations once again for this wonderful collaboration and outcome. We stand ready to support you in any way. Thank you so much.